Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of, we haven't named this segment yet. Welcome back to episode 2 of our automotive reviews. I don't know, give me something better. No one gave me any feedback on that last one. Anyway, welcome back. I'm Steve from Exclusive Wraps. And today we're going to take a look at the Ferrari 812 GTS. Alrighty guys, so this beautiful example of an 812 GTS in Nero Daytona has come up from the guys at Ferrari Gold Coast to have some work done with us. First thing you're going to notice, it's not standard Nero Daytona. Nero Daytona is a metallic black finish. It is now satin metallic black. So we've given it a full Xpel Stealth conversion, but we'll come back to all the things that we did to this a little bit later on in the video. Let's take you for a quick walk around the car. First thing you're going to notice, beautiful shape. This, to me, this is the pinnacle of hard top of a convertible. I don't like soft top convertibles. That's just my preference. I can't help it. But this hard top convertible, it flows with the body. It's beautiful shape. 14 seconds to go down, which sounds like a long time, but in the convertible world, that's actually pretty quick. You can quite easily do that at a light change comfortably and not have to drive off midway. But yeah, let's take you for a bit more of a quick look around. So the guys, when they spec this, chose a beautiful 20-inch forged diamond rim. Goes really well on this car. And the thing that you've probably been looking at from the get-go, I got to talk about, is this insane red carbon fiber. So you've got it all along the rear diffuser, rear bumper section, the side skirts, and a whole bunch of sections inside the front bar, and in the center caps of the wheels. Now, just to throw some numbers at you, the car starts at around about $675,000. Carbon option for the bottom skirts and the front bumper and side skirts is around about $80,000. If you want the red carbon, you're up for about $160,000. But it looks amazing. First one we've seen in that has actually had the custom red carbon. Looks awesome. On this one, we've done that in a gloss paint protection film, Xpel Ultimate paint protection film, as opposed to the Stealth on the rest of it, so that it has a really nice contrast, really makes it pop out a lot more. Let's go for a look inside the car. Alrighty, so on the interior, some awesome spec on this one. We've got colored Alcantara inserts all across the dash, the seats, red belts. I think these are an awesome touch. It's subtle, but, well, it's not subtle. They're red. It looks really cool. They've even got the Cavallino, for those of you who don't know. This little emblem here, Cavallino. That's what it's called. Stitched on the headrest, so that's also an option. Got this awesome carbon fiber steering wheel, so it's carbon on the bottom and the top and all the center. Got the LED display as well, so that'll give you, let you know when you need to change gears. A couple of other cool features that we've got in here. We have what they call the handy fire extinguisher. So God forbid you end up in a situation you need to whip out a fire extinguisher. There is one right there in the passenger footwell. Also, a really cool feature of this one, if you sort of come in a little closer, suspension lift. This is very handy for speed bumps and other car parks and driveways and that kind of thing. This lifts your front suspension by, I can't tell you exactly how much, but it's a fair bit. We'll give you a quick look at that now. Also, two other really cool features we'll touch on. Seats. Not only are they trimmed in leather and Alcantara, but they are carbon fiber. If you take a look at the back here, they're gorgeous. Beautiful, lightweight, and fully adjustable. Not like the race car you'd have seen in our last review video. You can actually adjust these. And the last thing I want to show you on the interior, full-size cup holder with flexible inserts, so you can fit your big drinks and your little drinks. Unfortunately, there's only one. So either your mate's got to, you know, no drinking in the car, or you got to focus on driving and they can have the drink. Anyway, let's give you a quick look at how quickly the top goes up and down. "14 seconds. So as you can see under the hood, there's not a whole lot of room left in here for anything else. You've got your 6.5 litre V12, 789 horsepower. This is going to be one of the last production V12s you're going to see. You've got this, you've got your Aventadors and an occasional other vehicle, but take a good look because you're probably not going to see too many more of them. Alrighty, and back to the reason why the car is here in the first place. This is Ferrari Gold Coast's latest 812 GTS demonstrator. They brought it into us to have an Xpel Stealth conversion done. If you watch any of our weekly wrap-ups, you'll know that term very well. Stealth conversion, Xpel Stealth, Xpel Stealth, Xpel Stealth. Basically, that takes your gloss paint and turns it into a satin finish using Xpel's satin paint protection film. So we've turned the Nero Daytona finish into a satin version, and we've wrapped all of the gloss red carbon fiber parts with Xpel Ultimate film, keeping them gloss and giving it a really nice contrast between that satin and that gloss finish. One thing I want to show you guys is the boot space. It's always an issue with convertible vehicles because where's the roof going to go? It's going to go into the boot, obviously. In this particular model, you actually have quite, I'm going to use the word ample. It's probably not the right word because if you're used to any typical sedan passenger vehicle, they've got substantially more boot space than this. But as far as exotics go, I think this is actually pretty good. You can fit a good sized suitcase in here, a couple of small briefcases, I don't know, it depends on what you carry. You can definitely fit a bit of shopping in there. But anyway, as you can see, the hard top is actually folded away into a section that is separate to your luggage compartment. There's heaps of room in there as well. All right guys, let's jump in. We'll take you for a quick spin from here to the inside of our workshop actually, where the car's gonna sit, get a quick clean and wait for the tow truck to arrive. Let's go. Alrighty guys, let's give you a quick look at the startup sequence. Pretty much like most other Ferraris, and in fact, like a lot of other cars these days, even your Kia Ceratos, they all have, if they have push button start, similar principle. Stand on the brake, make sure the key's in the car, press the engine start button. Alrighty, you may or may not have heard an 86 trying to race us from the car park. Anyway, let's take this thing inside, get it away from all these crazy drivers. Handbrake is under here. Don't know if you can see past my legs. It's the big P down here. Pull that one out. Anyway, got paddle shift. We'll click her into first. Both paddles is neutral. Right paddle is first gear, and your reverse button is right here. And you got launch control too, but we're not going to use that. All right guys, that wraps up our review of the 812 GTS. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.